Hello and welcome to this slow English video. All you need to do is watch, listen and learn. Today we are doing Japanese origami for beginners. I have never done origami before. I have never done origami before. But let's try together. So first, I need to open the packaging because there is plastic all around the box. So I think I will use my teeth. I think I will bite it. Oh, that probably wasn't sensible. Oh, there we go. Okay, now we are getting started. Okay, so I am peeling off the plastic. I am peeling off the plastic. Okay, so now I will open the box with some difficulty. Come on. Right, so I have a little book. It's like an instructions manual, an instructions book, and it has a lot of different origami patterns and origami things I can make. So I think I will start with the easiest one. I'm not going to start with something too difficult because I can't even make a paper aeroplane. I can't even make a paper aeroplane. So maybe we do a piano? An envelope. That might be good, an envelope. Or we could do a samurai helmet. A box. Oh, there's a lot of cool things we can make. I think I want to make an envelope because that doesn't look too difficult. That doesn't look too difficult. There are step-by-step instructions. Step-by-step instructions. So let's start, I suppose. So I also have lots of paper for making the origami. So do I just choose one? I think I just choose one. So I choose, oh, there are so many lovely patterns. There are so many lovely patterns. I like, oh, I saw one with flowers. I saw a really nice, yeah, that one. Is that big enough? That doesn't seem big enough. It seems too small to make an envelope. But okay, let's try. It might be a very small envelope. So, first instruction, it says, fold in half. Fold in half. Boop, like this. Fold in half. Now I need to make sure it is neat. I need to make sure it is neat. Ooh, I'm going to be terrible at this. Like that, maybe? Ah, okay. I have folded it in half. I have folded it in half. Okay. Number 2, fold in half again in the other direction. So I have folded it in half in this direction. Now I need to fold in half in the other direction. So I need to do it this way. Okay. So I'm so bad at making things. I'm really bad at making things. Like that? How do you make sure, on the floor, that's easier. That's a little bit easier on the floor. Okay, so I have folded it in both directions. I have folded it this way and this way in both directions. Next, what? I don't understand that. Oh no, this is where I always get confused. When I try to make something, pardon me, when I try to make something, I start really well and then I get confused. So it says fold both sides to meet in the center. Like, what? Because the picture, I don't understand the picture. So I've done that. I don't understand what that means. What? I don't understand. Okay, so maybe it's like this, and then we make a little square. That's going to be very small. I think this is going to be a tiny envelope. A tiny, tiny envelope. Like this. This doesn't feel right. No. This doesn't feel right. No. Oh no, I can't do this. This is too hard. I have done this wrong. This is too difficult. Okay. Like, but I don't understand. Okay. I'm giving up. I am giving up. I'm not doing an envelope. I'm doing something else. I am giving up because it's too hard and I don't understand. Let's try something else. Let's try something easier and it will work and it will be great. Okay, right. We're not making an envelope because it's too difficult. We're going to make... All of these look really hard. Where's the easy stuff? Because this all seems very advanced. This seems very advanced. Where are the easy ones? Where are the easy ones? Let's try this hat. Let's make a hat because let's see. Let's try a hat. So, right. Fold in half, corner to corner. So corner to corner, fold in half, like this. Okay. I'm fine with the first step. No problem. The first step is easy. The first step is fine. The first step is okay. Then, okay. I think I need a video. I think I need a video or something because I don't understand the instructions. So, what? No, I can't do that one either. I'm giving up. I need a video. Is there a video or something I can use? Free online video. Where? So it says there is a link that I can click. Well, I can't click the link in the book, but there is a link. So I will take a picture of the link and I will copy and paste it from my phone. Open link. Okay, here we go. Oh no. Error. Page not found. Page not found. I'm on my own. I am on my own. There are no videos. The book lied to me. The book lied to me. Oh, guys, So I have no option. I have to just try again. Right, let's try the envelope again. Let's go back to the envelope. Let's go back to the envelope and see if we can do it. Right, so there are 11 steps. There are 11 steps and I am on step 3. And I don't understand step 3. I'm sure it's that. Is it not? Maybe? It says make a squash. I'm just going to try something. I'm going to try. And it might be wrong, but I'm going to try. I'm just going to try to follow the instructions. And if it's wrong, it's okay. It's only paper. It's only paper. So if it is wrong, I will just try again. I probably won't try again. I will probably throw it in the bin. I will probably throw it in the bin. So I think this, maybe. Then it's just that the instructions are not very clear. So here it just says, fold each side behind. I don't know what that means. This is 100% wrong. That is 100% wrong. No, not doing the envelope. Let's try the hat again. I'll try the hat again. So there are 13 steps for the hat. 13 steps. I am on step 2. So, oh gosh, right. This is so difficult. I'm going to try one more. And if I can't do it, I will give up and I will never, ever, ever attempt origami again. So if I can't do this one, I will never do origami again. This is it. Okay, I will try, fine, let's try this one. Fine, whatever. So this says fold both ways, corner to corner. We are making a carp. Maybe. Can you see me getting more frustrated? This is why I don't do crafts. This is why I just don't do it, because I start it and I'm really excited and I can't wait. And then when I try, it just never works and I get frustrated, so I give up. I give up very easily. Okay, so I have folded it both ways, corner to corner. Fold the 2 bottom sides to meet the center crease. Unfold. So hold on. So the 2 bottom sides to meet the, oh, like that. Okay, I think I understand. Yeah. I think I've done that correctly. Okay. No, that's wrong. I followed the instruction and I thought I did it correctly, but then the next photo, the next picture looks completely different to what I've made. So I definitely did it incorrectly. Let's try it. I think the instructions were written not in English and then translated into English. So I think that's why the instructions aren't very good. So I think that is not helping me. It's not helping me that the instructions are not great, because I think they've been translated. So to conclude this video, I would like to show you the things I have made out of origami. So first off, we have this, which was supposed to be an envelope. So that's my envelope. Next up, we have my hat. So this was as far as I got with my hat. Basically, I took a piece of paper and I folded it. That's it. Then we have my carp, which is this. So my first attempt at origami looks like this. I will never, ever try origami again because I am very frustrated, stressed, and tense. And I think this is supposed to be an activity to make you relaxed and calm. And I do not feel relaxed and calm. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press subscribe. If you would like to see me learn another skill, let me know what skill I should try to learn. Thank you for being here, and I will see you next time. Ta-ta!